Let's have a look of different apparatus which are arranged on the table. We have to use this different apparatus for performing of different practicals throughout the academic year. Now I will start from this vernier caliper. I will explain work, name and functioning of each and every apparatus. So this is vernier caliper and this is used for the purpose of measuring the radius of spherical or cylindrical body. Now this is micrometer screw gauge. It is used for the measurement of radius of wire like structure. This is spherometer and it is used for the purpose of measurement of curvature of any surface. This is spring balance used for measurement of the mass of body. This is spring which is elastic in nature and used for the purpose of different elastic experiment. Now this is the Young's modulus kit. Total kit is about the Young's modulus experiment. In Young's modulus experiments, we will study different characteristics of this metal wire when we are applying the load on the wire. This is a dead load which is a part of this Young's modulus experiment. Now this is the magnetic needle, this is horseshoe magnet. These are the weights which are useful for the purpose of measuring different readings in the Young's modulus experiment. These are the spherical bulbs which are useful for the activities in physics. This is a clock, this is a measuring cylinder, or you can say that it is a measuring jar. This is beaker, these are the rubber cocks, this is thermometer. These are tuning forks which are arranged in order of their frequencies. This is rubber pad and we can use this rubber pad for the purpose of producing sound from tuning fork. These are lenses, this is convex lens, this is concave lens, and after that this is concave mirror. This is lens holder, or you can use it for the mirror holder also. This is prism. This prism is used for the diffraction of light. This is analyzer and used for the purpose of taking readings of polarized light. Just look this. This one is the apparatus of Newton's law of cooling. It has arrangement to keep thermometer here, and I will show you that it has a copper pot and stirrer and some insulating material. Means this calorimeter, the copper pot is known as a calorimeter which is placed inside the wooden box, and this calorimeter is surrounded by the insulating material, means it doesn't conduct heat. Now coming to the next, these are the two scales. One is half meter scale and another is meter scale. Means it has half meter reading and it has 1 meter reading on both sides for each and every scale. Now see, this is the equipment known as sonometer. You know the meaning of sono. Sono means related to the voice. So we will use different techniques to find out the frequency of sound. Frequency of sound means we will use tuning fork for finding out the frequency of sound with the help of this sonometer. Now coming to the next apparatus, and the name of this apparatus is meter bridge. Meter bridge. Why it is called as a meter bridge? Because it has a wire of length 1 meter, and this apparatus is used to find out the unknown resistance of any value. After that, this one is the potentiometer. It has this slider jockey, means which will we slide on the wire which are connected on the wooden board. It has also 1 meter scale. Now coming to the next apparatus, this apparatus is rheostat. You know very well that this apparatus is used for the purpose of changing the resistance in the circuit when it is connected in the circuit. This is resistance box. It has a fixed resistance and it has a variable resistance. This is cell, this is transformer, and this is also a cell. Now this is tap key. This one is the key, but it has two ends, so we can say that it is a two-way key. It has two-way key. After that, this one is the PCB. This is a round key. Now these are the different electronic components which are used for the building of circuit. Now this one is a design circuit for different purpose. So in this circuit there are different components. I will show you that these are the ICs and these are the some resistors. I will show you. This is a capacitor. This is also a type of capacitor. This is diode, and after that this is transistor, which are having 3 legs. These are the resistors, and this is inductor, and this is lead. Now coming to the next apparatus, this is milliammeter, means which is used for the purpose of measurement of current through the circuit. This is ammeter, means which is able to measure the current more than the milliampere. Now this is the voltmeter. This is galvanometer. It is used to measure the deflection of the pointer or the direction of the current when it is flowing through the circuit. And the voltmeter is used for the measurement of the voltage. Now these are the 2 cells. One is Daniell cell and another is Leclanché cell. These cells are used for the comparison of EMF of 2 cells. Now this one is the power supply.